So let's go into creating this road. What I might do with this is let's just accept the array for now. Yeah, sure. Okay. So we kind of want almost, if I just join these, remove doubles, there we go, it's cleaned up a few vertices. Mind you, it was created just a whole bunch just then, but never mind. Because this is where it's going to kind of walk from. But the car's going to come here, and probably the second person is going to walk through here, and that's where he holds his finger up like, oh no, we're paid. So what we want to do then is we want to spin this bit. We want to spin, not you. So if I go spin 90 degrees, good, extrude X, dun 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 dun. Face. Yeah, I think that's what I want. And then to quickly rectify that, face, I'm missing something. Delete faces, because it needed to be vertices. Delete vertices, mirror. There we go. So now we've got it on both sides. We will enable clipping. And then what you do is those two we don't need to necessarily touch. I know that kind of looks iffy, but it doesn't really matter. So now we have that. And we can grab this section. Actually, let's put Shift S, cursor to selected. Let's select this. We'll come down here. 3D cursor will be the pivot point. If I go Shift D, size X, no, size Y -1. Extrude X. That's a bit interesting. Doesn't matter. Oh, that's why. Yep, that's fine. Alt M last. So now that's connected. Control N. And that is all clean. So we can... I thought that dipped for some reason. So at this point in time, I'm just going to select these, extrude X, what? Extrude X, beautiful. So now we've got our road. And let's remove doubles. Extrude on the y-axis. Control N, went the wrong way, inside. So, now we've got a street, and I just have to fill one building. Now my concern is that we're not actually going to be using this building. So I think what I might do for the time being, Shift D, rotate 90. Yeah, I don't even know if we're going to be using that section, but let's just stick with it just in case. I just want to extend that out a little bit more. Bring this in. Okay. And if it comes time we need to use this building, we'll use it. Might even be able to get away with it. Maybe just change the wall color. But that's pretty much our street. Okay, yep, that looks good. So if I rotate, whoops, turn off the pivot, medium point, rotate Z. So when we do that cut, GX, GY, rotate F12. Yeah, cool. That doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too shabby. But I don't like that it's very bare at the back. So let's cheat. Control L. Shift D. We're going to change. We're going to go P for select. Change the selection. Tab. So if I go G now. Nope. Right click. And I've got the other selection. GY. Rotate 90. Rotate 180 on the Z axis. Okay. GZ. GX. Nope. GY. Oh, it's been a pain. GZ. So let's just move that over. There we go. So now it just kind of gives that, you know, oh, there's a lot more happening besides the building. It's not just, oh, that's the building, that's it. Game over. Yeah, that doesn't seem too bad. So I think what we might do is let's leave the modeling now. I'm pretty happy with it. I think we got everything we need. And I'm trying to picture the reference footage. So, but all the reference footage, how I filmed it was just front on. But I'm going to have to go back through what I wrote up, and then we will. Oh, actually, let's texture it first. Let's just put some generated textures, and we'll see how that looks, and then we'll start blocking. Yes, that sounds like a plan. So, I think that's the end of modeling. Hope you enjoyed it. Stick around, and we're going to continue going.